I'm not sure why I was doing this. Whatever, ignore me. Hi, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome back if you are returning. I really do appreciate you coming back for another video. If you're new, I talk about handbags as well as, I was about to say something else, I don't know, lifestyle topics. So any of that that's interesting to you, that could be tips and tricks, how-tos on the lifestyle side of things, as well as kind of fashion-related things. And then the bag part is just more about handbags, but also accessories. It covers other accessories too. So today's video is going to be over items that I purchased from the Cabazon outlet. So if you did not see my other video that I recently released, and you'll see it pop up here in the top corner, it was over my handbag that I purchased from the Ferragamo store at the Cabazon outlet. So I made 2 trips because I had 2 different work trips to the Cabazon outlet. So I went, every time I went there for work, I went to the outlet. So I did purchase, I was going to say pick up, which I know a lot of people say just casually, and they mean purchase really. But anyway, I did purchase 2 other items at the Cabazon outlet. Actually, yes, 2 other items. So I do want to share those with you. So this will be a really quick video. Let me show you. And I've already used these items, so this is not an unboxing. But first one up is going to be this Ferragamo belt. I'm sorry, I'm trying to like loop it in so you can see. And the band-aid on my finger is because I have been using HelloFresh for about 4 weeks now. And HelloFresh, if you're out there listening, you need to create some type of robot that you can take. It'll be like this size so it can be packed in the box. You can stick it in some water, let the robot expand and grow to a large enough size that the robot can, guess what? Cook your food for you. I cut my hand while I was cooking, but I like HelloFresh, but I also don't like to cook all the time. And I knew this was going to happen, but yeah, whatever. If I could have somebody cook my food for me from HelloFresh, this would be perfect. That would be great. All right, so here's the first item. This is a Ferragamo belt. I like that it has the logo on it, but it's not in silver. It's in black, so it makes it easier to pair with any type of metal, even though I'm a person where I mix metals anyway, so it's not as big of a deal for me, but I really like that it blends in, so it's not screaming, designer belt, pay attention to me. So I like how it's subtle in the black. I am a little bit nervous about over time it chipping and things like that, because I heard the kind of blacked out things, the so black items tend to not do so well with wear and tear, but we'll see. And I don't plan on wearing this belt all the time. I literally bought this belt so I could wear it as an accent piece, so on top of a jacket, or cinch in my waist for a top or dress or something like that. So, and I don't do that often, so this should last me a long while. And then it has the Ferragamo, sorry, yep, there you go. So it has the I don't know what I want to call this, but you know what I mean. Engraved. It is engraved along the back. Something interesting that I had learned when I was at the Ferragamo store was, the first time I was there, actually, I looked at the belts and didn't see anything I really wanted. The next time I was thinking, I'm going to find me a belt. I'm going to find me a belt. And I found this one, obviously. But the person, I was looking for my size, and I kept finding 100, mostly 100 centimeter in length. And what I learned from the sales associate is that they typically come in that size because they know they can cut them down. And so that way they can cut it down and then you have your right size. So didn't know that, learned that, thought that was interesting. So if anybody else out there is looking for a designer belt from Ferragamo, you go to the outlet. That is the reason why you see it in the 100 millimeter so much, is because you can get it cut down. So that's what they did for me. It did come with this long dust bag. I think this is a dust bag for a shoe. Pretty sure it's for one shoe. I don't know whether Ferragamo gives you 2 dust bags, but for each shoe, but you know, it fits in there and I hang it up. So that was, and I don't remember, it was like, I don't remember the price exactly. But anyway, pick that up. And then the next item I got is actually my first purchase from Tods. I really do appreciate Todd's quality of leather. It is gorgeous and amazing. I did not pick up a handbag, but I would love to have a Tods handbag in the future. And I'm not going to go out and venture out and get one because I am on this. If you did not see that other video that I'm talking about where I just kind of talk about, it was kind of like about purse piece and my satisfaction at the time where my brain was. So I really want to stay on that train. So that is where we are, although I did cheat, so you will see a future video coming up. But it does, to me, it doesn't count, and you'll know why when I do that video. So come back if you're new here. Anyway, so quick shout out. If you have not liked this video yet, if you're considering subscribing, go ahead and do that. Please go ahead and do that. I would love to have you on the, what's my channel name? Sorry, Bags and Lifestyle side of things. So definitely go ahead and do that. But at least, if you even if you don't want to subscribe, please just go ahead and like the video. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, last item up is going to be from Tods. Look, I already used the piece, and if you are a watcher of my channel, you would have seen it, hint, hint, on my studio bag reveal. But this is my little pet. I don't have real pets, so this is going to be my pet. And he is from Tods. Look how thick. Like, they just basically rolled up a piece of leather, and it's full-on leather. I think Tods does an amazing job with their, I was going to say dog treats. I don't know why. I'm just making words up right now. But of their kind of, I don't want to say leather accessories, but basically like they're kind of like non-essential pieces that you can buy. Like, this is so thick, as you can see here. It has the little dog collar on it, and it's has Todd's script right there engraved into the little metal piece. But this leather feels so gorgeous, so beautiful, sturdy but supple, the right amount of sheen. It just feels amazing. So if you have not either heard of Tods or consider Tods, definitely consider Tods. When I was in the outlet store, there were some amazing pieces, and I had to talk myself off the ledge because I try not to buy the same thing that functions the same way, even though the bag was gorgeous. I was trying to find every way. I was like, put the bag back. Put the bag back. You don't need it. I don't need any more bags, but you know what I mean. Like, I just didn't need that additional piece. I already had something that fit that category. But one day, I plan on getting a Tods piece. So this is my other little bad boy that I bought. And it came in this box here. Is this actually the... Yeah, so this is the box that it came in. I'll show you the name of it. It's called a Cane Piccolo. I don't know. So inside, it's a nice box. That's my receipt. And then it came with this kind of like... Not really a dust bag. It's more like a... Sorry about that. There's like a little cloth that they just laid it inside of. So I don't know whether it's a polishing cloth for your leather shoes or whatever, but it came packaged in that, and so I appreciated that. So that is the piece that I got from Tods. So great shout out to Tods. Let me grab this off the floor. Hold on. This is the, like the kind of like genuine leather info kind of piece of paper that they give you. So those are my two items that I purchased the second time that I went out to the Cabazon outlets. So let me know what you think. Have you been out to that outlet before? Let me know. And also, are you a fan of Ferragamo, or are you also a fan of Tods, or are you considering one or the other? I would love to hear from you on any of those things, as well as your thoughts on the little pieces that I bought. Thank you so much for watching and spending a small portion of your day with me. I really do appreciate it. I will talk to you again soon, and I will be back every Wednesday and every Saturday.